Hi and welcome back to a quick tips video about 3 things that I think you should know about if you don't know about already. So before I start, if you like these videos, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. There's plenty of other videos and quick tips and even a complete series on how to make a track. So if you're interested, go to my YouTube channel and check them out. So here, these are 3 things that I kind of knew about before, but there's 1 or 2 things I kind of discovered by accident that have been around forever, but actually one of them was actually caused a bit of a problem when I was working on a session, but I'll go into it now. Anyway, so the first thing here is about the Apple loops. As you know, brought in from the right hand side here, you've got the menu that opens up here. So I've imported a few loops here. Now this first one here, which is a beat, there's one little thing that you should know about, is these little arrows here. If you click on that, that then brings up the menu of what's available for that actual loop itself. So you see down here, I've got these 2 beats here and they come up here directly. Or for example, this arpeggio here, if I want to change it, this will bring up all the arpeggios that are here, will be listed directly here. So if you've got this closed, now we'll close this now, you can open up directly here without having to go and look for the samples that you want to check out. You can change them even when it's going along as well at the same time. So that's a pretty neat trick. If you didn't know that, that's damn useful. There's another thing that was a bit confusing. I'm just going to do is stick in a few of these as well, so I can actually show what I'm doing. Now, this here is a thing that's been around forever since, I don't know, Logic 9, I think. Here, when you go into the piano roll, you can see here, got this, and then you slip over to here, it goes onto that one, and then you click on here and it goes on to that one. So that's pretty cool. We all know about that. But if you take this chain off, right, if you go here, it won't change. It will stay on the actual original one. So what happened to me the other day is that I couldn't figure out why it was doing this, and I never realized that the chain on is like the plugins. It will just switch between windows like with the plugins. And that was kind of like really strange because I just didn't notice that before. So if you are in a situation where you're changing these around and all of a sudden oh my god, it's not working, I can't get to the right, it won't come up. Well, there, that's why, because of this. So that is just a stupid thing that I came across the other day that I didn't really know about, but it's been there forever. So nothing new there, but it was just something that really got me confused. So that's that. Now, this is new. This is very good. This is something that was in Pro Tools before. You have to go to track, you go into function, select based processing. Now this is really cool. This you got in Pro Tools, and it's one of the features that I was kind of regretting not having in Pro Tools, in Logic, sorry. Now, so what it does is that you can select, say, this here, then you can listen to it. Okay, and then you can actually apply that to the actual file itself. So if I go apply, that will EQ it to mono because I selected this in mono. So I come back, I can do that in stereo. So that's pretty useful for if you want to change a file into mono as well. So if I get rid of this and then come in channel EQ in stereo this time, so channel EQ stereo, or any plugin you can do, a filter, and then just say let's just cut off the bass of this and listen to it. Now that's normal. If you just put this on solo, sorry, this is normal. Now here you listen to it processed. Now this is useful if you just want to process one little part of a song. You can do a little snippet and process it. This is just really practical if you just want to do something special at one point, and then you can just apply it. Then that will apply, and then you can listen back to this and it's affected. And you can come back if you're not happy with it. So that's really useful if you don't know that. So that's called selection-based processing, and in Pro Tools that is called Audio Suite. So there you have those 3 tips. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave some comments, and I will see you soon.